So this is where the hard work happens. We've prepared all of the layers with the layer masks, but now we got to get really detailed. Let's start with the top layer here. Click on the layer mask on layer number 6. Let's get a hard round brush with black in the foreground color. And let's make our brush smaller. Click on the left bracket to make the brush smaller. Now we have to go around the whole entire person because there's a shadow back here on the wall from this guy. And if we don't remove those areas, it's going to look like it's been digitally manipulated. And what our job is to do is to make it look as real as possible. So start painting around the head with the black brush in some of the areas around the person. Go around the hair areas on the top and behind his head on the right side. Now I'm using the space bar to get the hand tool. When you're really zoomed in a Photoshop document and you want to move around to work on things and not zoom in and zoom out, put your thumb on the space bar and it becomes the hand tool so you can move it around. Let go of the space bar and keep on brushing. Put your thumb on the space bar, move down here, and let's start brushing down here. This is where it's going to get a little tricky. When we go around the hand here on top of this actor, we're going to have to zoom in and get the bigger parts first. Make the brush smaller. Click on that left bracket under the plus sign. And you can get in real close and get in those little nooks and crannies. And then you can make your brush a little bit bigger. It looks like this finger here is missing. So if we use white to reveal the image and then use black to conceal the image, do you see how powerful the layer mask can be? That's looking pretty good so far, but we need to go down here in front of him. Make the brush bigger by pressing on the right bracket underneath the plus sign, and then we can keep brushing away the front of that actor. There we go, down his knee and over here. You also want to do behind the leg because there's a little bit of shadow back there too. Make that brush bigger to finish that area. Double click on the hand tool and now we'll display the whole design. Click on the eye on the top layer, turn it on and turn it off and see what you got. That looks great. This lesson will continue in the next video.